Okay, here's the next video for the new channel. This is a 1978 Lakewood S-223. This is the second generation S-223 that I own. This one I got off of eBay, and this was the first time I ever won anything off of eBay. Also, this is the fan that rollabout stand came with, on which my 1976 S-223W now sits on, as you can see over there. So we'll have an overall look at this thing, and then we'll fire it up. One side, and that mark you see right there, that scratch, that was from off the stand, and on both sides around the holes it's like that. That's all from the stand. This is in what Esky Wolf would call that cream peach color. May not look like on camera, but that's what it really is. And this also has a Macmillan motor. The date code on this is K78, meaning it was produced in October of '78. So, probably, even though this was made in '78, it was probably sold in 1979. Get a view of the top. And just like on my 1980 K223, once again in Esky's words, it's got the sparklies! Sparklies! Yay! Anyway, here it is in operation. Here's high. Here's medium. Low. Pretty nice quiet low. Back to high. And off. And there you have it, my 1978 Lakewood S-223. Thank you for watching, everybody.